I, JBN, Dr. Bajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of FEM, Program BSc B.Ed, PCM, 5th semester, and course is Pedagogy of Mathematics, and session of today is concept formation. How to form the concept about the thing, about the idea, about the problem. So there is many definition of concept formation. Someone says one thing and someone say another, and lastly they arrive at the conclusion. So many important definition. According to Morgan, concept is a process of representing a common property of object or event. This definition is given by the Morgan. Another definition by the Moon, concept is a process which represent the similarity in otherwise diverse objects, situation or events. Concepts are those thoughts which mention things, incidents, qualities, etc. Woodworth. Concept is a process of discrimination of the common feature and relations in the world of events, things, and persons. This definition is given by the Hamerton. So these are the some definition of concepts. लर्नर किसी भी वस्तु, व्यक्ति, घटना और दृश्य के बारे में जो भी कंसेप्ट हमारे मन मस्तिष्क में उभरता है वो सब कंसेप्ट फॉर्मेशन की परिधि में आता है. सो मीनिंग ऑफ कंसेप्ट फॉर्मेशन, ए कंसेप्ट इज ए सम टोटल ऑफ व्हाट वी नो अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट. किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, घटना, दृश्य के बारे में जो भी हम समझ पाते हैं उसका जो सम टोटल है, दैट इज़ द concept. It refers to a generalization idea about the object, person, event. It stands for the general class and not for a particular object, person, event. It is a common name given on the basis of the similarity or commonness found in different object, person, event. There are concept of objects such as cat, tree, chair, etc. Concept of person such as the mother, Indian, Negro, etc. The concept of qualities such as honesty, goodness, obedience. So these are the concept about the things, about the person, about the virtues. So it is a mental disposition that help in understanding the meaning of the object or perceived earlier. In one sense, it is general mental image of the objects, persons, events experienced or perceived earlier. Nature of concept, a concept is not static, it is always changing. For example, first a child consider event that walls and doors to be living thing. Then it understand they are non-living, considers car, buses and running object to be alive. Later it learns that only animals and plants are living. So time to time the concepts is changing. The concept is not common for all. Different person may have different concept about the same object. It is depend on its perception. Concept is a part of thoughts process. Concept can be formed without the use of language. Concept formation is the association of certain stimuli and responses. Concept is the process and discrimination of the common features. Concepts are always useful in recognizing, naming and identifying the object, person and event. So These are the concept nature of the concepts, or it depend on our perception. Type of concept formation. There is three type of concept formation: direct experiences, indirect experiences, and faulty concepts. So direct experience is the first type of concept formation in which the learner develop concept through direct experience, by seeing, by touching, and uh, by by its senses with the particular object, person, event. It is developed during from the early childhood onwards. For example, the concept about the cow, similar similar events and similar events. Indirect experience. Here the learner develop concept through pictures, photos, and reading descriptions. Indirect experience from the reading descriptions. Hearing from others. For example, the concept about the kangaroo. It is because uh, learner is not see the kangaroo, but by hearing, by photo, one can experience the kangaroo. So it is the indirect experience. Faulty concept. The concept of the general idea we have about object, person, or events are not always adequate and accurate. Small children have no many concepts that are quite enormous and inadequate. For example, one's anxiety over the crossing of his way by a cat, or one's feeling the hatred toward the person belonging to other caste or religion is the result of the faulty concept. Faulty concept should not be allowed to develop in children. It is faulty concept or missing dimension. So we all are aware about these type of concepts. In process, concept formation has three important phases. Three important phases in order to form the concept. First is perception. Perception means a process by which brain organize and interpret the sensory information to give out the meaning of given situation. Or in other words, experience or learning in any form is the starting point of the process of concept formation. Our perception or imaginary experiences, formal or informal learning, provide opportunity for getting mental image and the object, persons, or events. Abstraction. The mind analyzes the perceived image and synthesizes what is common to all, neglecting what is particular. This process of observing similarities and commonness is named as abstraction. In this ingredient, we see the similarity, commonness, in order to in order to formation of concept. Then generalization. After making such observation in the form of abstraction for a numbers of time, the child is able to generalize or form a general idea about the common properties for some object of event. On account of this generalization, he will develop a concept about these things or events. For example, the child perceives a black cow at the first time and is told that it is a cow. He tries to form an idea about it. In the beginning, the idea is very particular in the nature. Then, later on, when he perceives a white and red cow, he does not at once call it a cow. He again makes an inquiry and comes to that these are cow. He tries to compare in particular mental image the idea of the previously perceived cow with the image he is having at present by perceiving white and red cows. Then, in this way, he compares and contrasts the similarities or dissimilarities of his mental image relates to all perceived cows. He In spite of the differences in color, appearance, etc., they are found to possess so many common property or character. And he reach on consolidate form of concept. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session of concept formation. I hope if you are satisfied with this session and you have any query in this, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.